and welcome to my channel. Today I want to make some stained glass for y'all or with y'all, and therefore I put some clear resin in my tray mold and let it cure. And then I put the tray with the mold on top of my design that you can see through it, and I draw the lines with my outliner paste. I'll write in the description box what I used in this video, so you find what you need if you want to do that as well. And I'm taking care of that. I don't have no gaps in that liner where I don't need them, because if I have gaps in between those lines, then my color will seep into the parts of the design where I don't want it. And that's why I have to do that slowly. But I will speed this process up now for you, because I don't want you to get bored watching this for 2 hours. So I left the one with the leaves to dry. Now from that other green project you see on the right, I had some glitter left with some gloss varnish, and I used that up in my actual design right now. So I mixed some mica powder in my gloss varnish and painted some of them leaves with it. This won't be translucent because it's mica powder. It's going to be like really opaque, but the light will still shine through somehow. I use different glitters in my varnish, different sizes, different colors, to achieve some depth that I wouldn't get otherwise. I'm trying to use only like greens, and I try to stay within this color scheme. I started coloring my sky and the background with my glass colorant, and they're supposed to be see-through, but you have to put them so thick on it that I doubt that they're going to be so translucent anymore. You know, maybe it lets the light shine through. If you don't want to watch this, just skip ahead. And for those who want to watch me doing this, I put some music on and enjoy. I will link all the supplies in the description box beneath for you. So that's the finished piece. This will have to dry, maybe 24, 36 hours. And when it's dry, I apply a top coat on it. It is all dry now, and I mixed my resin already, and now I'm pouring it over the piece. It does not have to be a thick layer. Well, it depends on what you're going to do with it. If you want to make a tray, then you have to have more resin on top of it, so the whole thing gets thicker than I do here. Mine's supposed to be hanging on the wall later on, or on the window, let's say it like that. Make sure that the resin is up to the edges. And there you can see those little bubbles running over the surface. Later on I will take my little torch and get rid of them with it. And that's about it. We see each other when I'm about to demold. It's the next day and we're ready to demold. I was waiting all day for that moment. It took a little longer because the piece is very thin, and thin things take longer to cure. So I left it about 10 hours longer than usually. And this is how it looks now. I love it. Well, here you can see where I had to put some extra resin on because the mold didn't leave the resin on that spot. But thank God you can see it from the front all that much. And the piece has rather sharp edges. I'm going to take them off with my deburring tool, and I will fast forward you so you wouldn't have to watch the whole process. I'm painting the edges and just the edges on top with my gold marker because I want it kind of frame the piece. Because the outliner was gold too, I used the gold one here too. And I didn't paint the edges all the way, only that little spot which you can see when you look at it from the top. because it's supposed to be hanging in the window and I want the light to shine through. So I'm about to finish and this is how it looks now. So I hope I see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching and I hope you had a lot of fun just like me. If you like what I did, please subscribe to my channel or ring the bell or leave a thumbs up. I'd like that very much and it's very much appreciated. Until next time, bye bye.